Guys, real talk. Sa budget phones right now, ang hirap talagang pumili. Kasi halos lahat, malalaki na yung battery, matataas na yung mga refresh rate, and they have decent camera. Pero eto yung tanong, meron ba bang smartphones out there na balance ang lahat in terms of camera, battery, and display, yung tipong walang tinipid? Today, pag-uusapan natin ang Tecno Camon 50, and honestly, may isang feature dito na sobrang underrated, pero I can say it's a real game changer. And by the way guys, in this video, yes, tama pong iniisip mo. Mamimigay tayo ng isang Tecno Camon 50. So watch the video till the end. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James 2.0. Let's go! Unang tingin pa lang sa box guys, alam mo na ang focus nito guys is definitely yung camera and yung pagiging isang phone niya for content creation. And paghawak mo guys, sa phone naman itself is very slim, napakalinis ng design, and it has a premium feel for the price, no? So basically, hindi siya mukhang budget phone the moment na mahawakan mo siya. Now let's talk about what this phone is actually known for. Of course guys, nakikita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda the camera itself. The main camera has a 50 megapixel Sony sensor with OIS or optical image stabilization. So what does it basically mean? Number one, it will have a stable video footage for everybody na kagamit, either beginner ka or professional ka. Number two, mas less yung mga blur na mga pwede mong makuha in terms of, let's say, moving subjects, and definitely it will have a better low light capability. Then meron pa actually silang tinatawag na super dash zoom flash snap. Okay, so super zoom flash snap, meaning sabi nila, according to Tecno, mas mabilis ka makakapag-capture ng mga moving subjects. So parang yung katulad sa iPhone na parang isang tap ko lang makukuha mo na yung photo. For some reason, yung mga mid-range phones right now na mga Android, nakukuha na rin nila yung feature na to. So kung mahilig ka sa mga street photography, mga moving object photography, or just a random candid shot moments, hindi ka mahuhuli guys. Sa front camera naman, it has a 32 megapixel. So for selfies, mga TikTok, mga vlogs, I can say, panalo na to. Now, eto yung pinaka-surprising sa phone na to, the display. It has a 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rates. Guys, bihira ka makakita ng 144Hz sa ganitong price range. Meaning, sobrang smooth guys na magiging scrolling experience mo dito. Either nagso-social media ka or nagdo-doom scroll ka lang, wala kang magawa. And magiging sobrang smooth din ng gaming experience mo. So basically, sobrang smooth, no? Pangatlong sobrang smooth ka to sa overall experience mo. Then, the brightness guys this has up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness. So, ibig sabihin, kahit outdoor, literal guys, ang 4,500 nits, if gagamitin mo yung indoor, talagang masisilaw talaga yung mata mo. So, again, pag outdoor ka, wala ka magiging problema sa cellphone na to. So, battery naman ang pag-usapan natin. 6,500 mAh, which is pretty much the standard of most Android phones out there na this year, 2026. This is already solid, pero ito yung pinaka-interesting guys na parts sa cellphone na to. This has a 5-year durability battery certification, which is Tecno guarantees na for the next 5 years, they guarantee na hindi bibilis malobat ang cellphone mo. Plus, meron pa siyang 45 watts fast charging. So, hindi lang matagal malobat yung cellphone mo, hindi lang din matibay yung battery ng cellphone mo, mabilis pa siyang mag-charge. Now, performance naman na pag-usapan natin guys. This has the MediaTek Helio G200 processor. Now, let's be real, hindi ito flagship chip because this is a mid-range phone, but for social media usage, daily usage, and casual gaming usage, more than enough na tong processor na to, which is, I can say, balance na balance talaga siya. So, this is not the phone about max performance kung yung hinahanap mo. Again, it's all about balance. Additional features naman guys, again, it has a IP66, IP68, and IP69K water and dust resistance, which is one of the highest level na po in terms of protection sa water and dust on a smartphone, on a mid-range phone guys, grabe. Also, it has a Corning Gorilla Glass protection, plus it has Tecno AI features. And just to add guys sa inyo, papakita ko lang sa inyo guys, ito na-discover ko lang just now. As you can see here guys, meron siyang dog, diba? And then pag sinuwipe up mo yun guys, tinan mo, nag-scroll ka lang pero iniilagan niya. Like, how immersive is that? So, overall, no, this phone, complete package na siya for daily use, and I can say, like, kung medyo gusto mo magmayabang. And ito yung pinaka-importante guys on the Tecno Common 50 series. Kung mapapansin niyo, hindi lang siya nagfo-focus sa isang bagay. Hindi siya pure gaming phone and hindi rin siya pure camera phone. Again, instead, we call it a balanced smartphone. Camera is okay, battery is okay, display at the same time is really okay for 1.5K AMOLED 144Hz. Bihira ka makahanap ng mid-range smartphone at this current price na camera, battery, and display. For most people, ito yung pinaka-importante sa kanila. Lahat okay na okay. So, kung ikaw yung tipo na gusto mo lahat okay, ito yung phone na para sa'yo. This is a content plus daily driver smartphone. Again, this is, I can say, perfect for students, mga content creators, or let's say mga social media users na walang ginawa araw-araw kundi mag-FB, mag-TikTok, mag-IG, mag-YouTube. And at the same time, yung mga casual gamers na wala rin ginawa araw-araw kundi mag-ML at mag-HOK. So if gusto mo ng all-around the smartphone, which I believe marami po sa inyo guys tinamaan sa mga sinabi natin, this is a very, very strong option. And yes guys, mamimigay tayo ng Tecno Common 50 series in this specific video guys. And before we do that guys, announce lang muna natin yung winner ng ating Realme 13 5G from our previous video. So ilalagay ko guys dito sa screen right now yung comment na nanalo. And in case ikaw to guys, don't forget to message our Facebook page Kuya James Afante with blue check mark to claim your prize guys. And in case gusto mo manalo ng Tecno Common 50 guys completely for free, just like and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Make sure to turn on the notification bell and comment your favorite feature of the Tecno Common 50 guys. And bonus, if you share this video to your friends sa FB mo, you will get an extra chance to win and winner will be announced on the next video. And in case kung naghahanap ka ng discounted na Tecno Common 50 with free shipping, cash on delivery, or may installment options, I will attach link in the description guys on the best price link na pwede mong mabili ang Tecno Common 50. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James Tipino. See you on the next one kasi meron pa tayong Tecno Common 50 Ultra 5G. Let's go!